You go online to book your air travel, hotels, and car rentals. Why not also book your tours and activities online, too? It's a huge market and perhaps the last big travel category to move online. As WSJ's middle seat columnist Scott McCartney is here to tell us. Scott, thanks so much for being with us.
Sure, good to be with you, Tanya.
Scott, what kind of money is changing hands in this category of travel activities?
You know, it's a huge part of tourism. Focusrite estimated that each year in Europe, there's some $41 billion worth of tours and activities that get booked. Hundreds of millions of vacationers and business travelers, too, who want tours, experiences, special deals, and it happens all over the world. Everybody goes somewhere, and they want to do something when they get there.
So it makes sense to be able to get this all done online. What are some of the advantages for travelers to booking everything online?
There are lots of advantages. Customer reviews is one of the big ones. People now want to hear from other people. They want to see what the pluses and minuses were of a particular tour, if the lunch lived up to billing, if the pictures were accurate. But you can also get real-time availability now at many different places. Price shopping is a whole lot easier, and the ability to look at specifics of, you know, what are the age limits or different activities or restrictions or all kinds of things that go into avoiding disappointment once you get there.
Which everyone wants to do. Now tell us about Viator. Am I pronouncing that correctly? This new site, and what is it offering?
Yeah, Viator.
Viator.
It's a play on the Latin word for traveler. And it's basically a consolidator of a whole lot of mom and pop tours. Not that they're going out and acquiring them, but they're arranging deals with them where they can offer their product. They have 4 regional offices around the world and travel experts who go out and vet different providers of different tours. And then sell them on their website or through their app. So you get some guarantee of quality. You certainly get reviews. The Viator was bought last year by TripAdvisor. So all of those TripAdvisor customer reviews are built into it. It makes shopping a whole lot easier and I think buying with some confidence as well.
Yeah, it sounds great. And they tend to offer some sort of VIP type of experiences, correct? Which they say you can't get anywhere else.
Well, yes, there's a lot of that. What they do is negotiate with local vendors to provide specific experiences. So at Moulin Rouge in Paris, they have a balcony set up for Viator customers where they get special seating, special meal. At the Vatican, they work with a local provider that has an arrangement with the Vatican to use a reserved door, and they'll do tours at the beginning of the day before the big crowds get in there, or at the end of the day. So if you want to go into the Sistine Chapel with 15 people instead of masses of people, that's a very popular tour that they offer. Some $375 a person, but sold out all the time.
Makes sense to check it out. All right. Thank you so much, Scott, for all that.